really think about their entire riverfront. Memphis is a city on the Mississippi River. That's a drawing of the Mississippi River in the background, and it's a really wide river. It's huge. This river changes 50 feet between low and high levels, and it's a force to be reckoned with. The city had always turned its back on the river because it was an industrial river. So in history, you can look back and you can see the industrial activities along the river, and then Front Street, which is the main street, away from the river. And they wanted to turn around this narrative and asked us to look at connecting a lot of their different riverfront sites to each other. And as we started embarking on this project, we realized that there was one particular place on the river that was really a conundrum, a kind of a question mark. That was the Cobblestone Landing. So the orange part there in the diagram is about 600 feet long. It's a very big space called the Cobblestone Landing. And people had different reactions to this Cobblestone Landing. And some people thought it was a historic site to be preserved. Other people really didn't like it at all. And some people just didn't even know it was there, as you can see how it looks today in Memphis. And as we started to study the history of all these different places, and the Cobblestone Landing in particular, we found that it was used in various ways over the years as a port, as a place of homecoming, as you can see after World War I, a parking lot, but it also had this kind of problematic history of being a place where the cotton trade took place. And in that case, it means that enslaved workers actually worked on this landing. And so it had a complex history.